guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy tuna salad. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed below for you. The ingredients you need are tuna, and I like buying skipjack tuna, the juice from half of a lemon, some mayonnaise, a diced tomato, and make sure you take the seeds out so it's not so watery, diced celery, 1 diced boiled egg, some dill relish, diced onion, and some black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just going to put my tuna in my bowl, and make sure to drain your tuna before you put it in your bowl. And then I'm going to add my onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper to that, and mix that really well before I add the other ingredients. As you can see, this recipe doesn't have any salt in it, but I don't think I need it because the tuna, the mayo, and the relish already have salt in them. Now I'm going to add my celery, and I like using celery because I like the crunch it gives it. Tomato, onion, dill relish, boiled egg, the juice from half the lemon, and you don't need all the juice, you just need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And if you drop any seeds in there, just make sure you take them out. Just give that a good mix before you add the mayonnaise. Now the final step is just to add your mayonnaise and give that one last good mix. The way we like to eat our tuna is with crackers or with bread, and put some lettuce on it and make a sandwich. Either way, it's really good. So how do you guys like to eat yours? Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like to eat your tuna. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.